Habits, as we all know, shape our lives. They determine our level of success, well-being, and overall happiness. But have you ever wondered how to break free from negative habits or cultivate positive ones that stick? Well, look no further. In Atomic Habits, James Clear offers us a roadmap to transform our lives, one small habit at a time. But before we jump into the chapter summary, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos on personal development, productivity, and self-improvement. Chapter 5. The best way to start a new habit. Unleashing the power of the 2-minute rule. In Chapter 5 of Atomic Habits, titled The Best Way to Start a New Habit, author James Clear introduces a simple yet powerful strategy to overcome the inertia of starting new habits. He unveils the effectiveness of the 2-minute rule and how it can lead to significant habit transformation. Clear begins by emphasizing the importance of making habits easy to start. He highlights that the first 2 minutes of any habits are crucial, as they determine whether we overcome the initial resistance or give in to procrastination. By breaking down the habit into its smallest component, we can make it more approachable and less daunting. The author introduces the concept of the 2-minute rule, which states that we should focus on starting a new habit by taking a small, manageable action that can be completed in just 2 minutes. The idea is to make the habit so easy that it becomes almost impossible to say no or make excuses. Clear provides several examples to illustrate the power of 2-minute rule. For instance, if the goal is to read more books, the initial habit can be to read just 1 page. If the goal is to exercise regularly, the initial habit can be to put on workout clothes and step outside the door. These small actions serve as a gateway to building momentum and making it easier to continue the habit. The author emphasizes that the focus should be on the frequency of performing the habit rather than the duration. By consistently engaging in the habit, even just for 2 minutes, we create a positive feedback loop and reinforce the behavior. Clear also introduces the concept of habit shaping, which involves gradually increasing the difficulty or duration of habit over time. Once the habit is firmly established, we can work on expanding it further and pushing our limits. Furthermore, the author highlights the importance of environment design in surrounding habit formation. By making the desired cues visible and readily available, while removing any obstacles, we create an environment that promotes and encourages the habit. In summary, Chapter 5 of Atomic Habits presents the 2-minute rule as the best way to start a new habit. By breaking down the habit into its smallest component and focusing on a 2-minute action, we overcome resistance and build momentum. The chapter emphasizes the significance of frequency over duration and highlights the role of environment design in supporting habit formation. By applying the 2-minute rule, we can lay a strong foundation for lasting habit change and personal growth. Remember, my friends, change starts with a shift in our mindset and a commitment to embodying the identity we aspire to. We unlock the true potential within us by aligning our habits with the person we want to become. As we wrap up, we want to leave you with this powerful reminder. Your habits are not just actions. They are the building blocks that construct the life you lead. So choose your habits wisely and let them propel you towards the extraordinary. If you like this summary, do hit the like icon, share it with your friends, and comment your thoughts below. That really motivates us. Good day. See you very soon in the next video.